Hello all, welcome back to Python programming. So today we are going to study about two loops. So there is a loop number 2. So suppose our loop number 2 was suppose we just turn the figure upside down. So what it will look like, first it will be 5 stars and 4 and 3 and 2 and 1. So we will be creating with the help of loops now. So go to your file menu, click the new file option and your new file arrives in a second. So to here we write to in the earlier video I told you about how to write the for loop in Python. First let's complete the coding, then I'll show you how to what does this mean. For j in range till 1 I want my j to begin by 5 minus I, that I can supposedly write as my stopping point. I have forgot my colons, so I didn't get my space properly. Mind, it is very necessary that you put correct indentations in Python, else you will get something wrong here. So in my earlier video, I also told you about the use of end equals to no space, and here we write a print, so we get what we want. Okay, so now let's first save it so I can run it in my shell. I don't know why it's default. Okay, so you always save your files with the .py extension only because it recognizes it as a Python file. So now we run it and then run module. What we observe, that is a figure of this upside down, right? Let me with my program now. Okay, so how it was for I in range 5, that means for I in 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on, first the value of I is 0, that means the j in range of 5 minus 0, that means the first j columns are going to be 5 now. First is going to be 5 and there it is going to put a star with an end, not the space bar, so that it doesn't end up looking like with spaces like this. So next time it goes for I in range 1, then that means 0 and 1, that means I in range 1, that means it goes to the range of 5 minus 1, that is 4, that means up to 3, that means it prints 4 stars, that's as like 0, 1, 2 and 3, that's 4. Okay, so it has print 4 stars. Then it's I in range 2, that means 3, that means 2 till 2 it will go, that is 0, 1, 2, so it is 3 stars and so on. So I hope this video about this loop is all clear to you. Thank you.